Фанови на Ливерпул и Тотенхем пристигнуваат од целиот свет токму во Мадрид, каде што ќе се одигра финалниот меч од Лигата на шампионите, токму во сабота. Како што можете да забележите, веќе се подготвуваат фан-зоните на главниот плоштад во Мадрид, а наоколу се и сите навивачи. Мадрид буквално дише во ритамот на фудбалот. Стана главна цел на навивачите од целиот свет. Токму на плоштадот Плаза Мајор се наоѓа и фан зоната каде што сите поддржувачи и на Тотенхем и на Ливерпул навиваат за својот тим. Разговаравме со дел од нив и прашавме каков ќе биде резултатот оваа сабота. Where are you from?
Sydney.
Australia. You're here for the Champions League?
Yeah.
Favorite team?
Liverpool.
Why?
Because we've always gone for them.
Yeah, family.
Beautiful
family.
team. Beautiful team.
It's about the history, about the players we have, and just the club. So much bigger, better. No competition.
Oh, favorite team?
Liverpool.
Why?
I'm from Liverpool and I've always supported Liverpool. By the match on Saturday, I think Liverpool 2-0. Reasons? I just think hopefully they can continue what they've had all season and then we can celebrate.
Well, I'm cheering for Tottenham now.
Why?
They never won. So I want them to win one time. No, I'm not going. I didn't get any tickets.
Very surprising, especially like the comeback of Liverpool against FC Barcelona. Was a really good match, and till the end was very exciting. So I can't wait to see the final. It's going to be on TV, but it's going to be fun to watch. I'm pretty sure.
What do you mean, Liverpool or Tottenham?
Tottenham.
Why?
Yeah, why? I just love more the player. I think they have a better core and more deep lineup. So I think they're gonna win this match. Yeah.
Can you tip the result?
It's gonna be tight, but I hope 3-2. A lot of goals. So.
Thank you.
No.